This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep.
Welcome back to the Trailer Hood. I'm the OG. You know who you are. Well, as I mentioned in the last video, we have a project for today. And it's not one of mine. Nope. This comes to us all the way from Slovenia. It's my new friend Samo from Slovenia who has created a jig for his table saw. It's a jointer jig for his table saw. And he made this out of an old bed that he had lying around. And I thought that was quite clever. And what he uses it mostly for is for pallet wood. He's going to start doing projects with pallet wood. I say, hey, I do things with pallet wood, so I'm probably going to build one of these jigs too, because what he did is very simple, very clever, and it's pretty damn impressive. So let's take a look. So Samo, take it away.
Hello, Jay. As I promised you, here are some details of my jointing jig for a table saw. So, the gimbal from my smartphone, which I was planning to record from, just died. So I need to hold my smartphone handheld and try to explain as best as I can. Sorry about that. So the jig itself is pretty straightforward. Nothing too complicated about it. I mean, if I did it, anyone can do it. So hold on a bit. Bear with me. So the measurements are actually, I believe, 85 centimeters. Yes, and by 45. Yeah, approximately. Then the top piece is also 85 centimeters by, let's say, 15 centimeters. That's, I believe, 6 inches. And as I said to you, the only thing I would change about it are those toggle clamps. Those are really, really small, but as I told you, it was actually my mistake. I didn't pay attention when I was placing an order, so I had to live with it. Other than that, it's oh yeah, the T-tracks. I sent you a photo of those T-tracks a couple days ago. Those are actually the same T-tracks, just cut to the size. And it's actually that aluminum rectangle profile. It's 20 mil by 10 mil. I believe this is, I believe it's 13/16 of an inch by 3/8 of an inch. And I just took some measurements to put the M8 screw in. So, and then I just cut off on the table saw. That's pretty much it. I believe I've cut 6 mil on each side. So 20 mil minus 8 mil for a screw is 12 mil, divided by 2 is 6 mil on each side. That's pretty much it. And then I just routed the dado with that router of mine, and I just screwed the T-tracks in. I didn't use any epoxy though. I was planning to add some epoxy glue, but in the end I've decided not to. Perhaps I will add it in the future. We'll see. What I love about this, about those T-tracks and the whole jig, is that I can not only join the pallet wood. I mean, if I need to, I can expand that for a bigger stock. Right now, it's kind of stuck a bit. I need to overcome this problem, but I mean, it's not big of a deal for me. I will show you just some clip or two of the jig in action, and that's it. I hope you find it useful, and if you need some more info or something about it, just hit me up on Messenger. Okay, here's a quick test in action. As you can see, this board is really warped and a bit torn, but we'll make it work. So it's 99.85 millimeters on one side, and on the other, oops, 99.86. That's pretty damn good. And there you have it. It's jointed board for some of my future project. That's it. Take care and bye-bye.
And there you have it. It is the Slovenian Samo joiner jig for a table saw. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. And for the first video that he sent me, hey man, that came out really nice. You speak English better than I do, because you were probably taught the correct way to speak English. I wasn't. I speak American. I speak American. So you did a great job, Sammy. Thank you so much for sharing that. And I've mentioned this before. We're going to try to coordinate some time so that I can actually do a Zoom call with Samo and talk to him. Did I call him Sammy a minute ago? I'm sorry about that if I did that. Samo. Okay. And then you can correct me if I'm saying your name wrong. I have no idea because I don't speak Slovenian. Maybe I'll learn. Someday I'd like to go over there and take a look at your country. Maybe I'll learn a few words. I don't know. I'm pretty old. I don't learn things very well. But that was a great video. Thank you so much for doing that. And maybe I can have you do some more videos like that later on. But like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm going to try to attempt to make it. I'm going to do it a little bit different than Samo did. I'm going to make the tracks for the T-tracks a little bit different. So we'll compare the two and see what you think, if I ever get around to it. I'm going to try really hard. Now that I have my so-called tool girl, Krista will be joining me. Maybe she can help me get better on track with these projects and actually get them done. So I do want to do that. So thanks again, Samo. I really appreciate it. And we should have Krista here in a few days. That'll be nice. So until the next time, I'm the OG for the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, and I'm out.